Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Toyota HiAce stock number 6303. This ran from the second 2019 to a current shape. It has a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate 2 dents, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 3 dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,